Hi, I'm Erin. This is Valley, and today we are going to work through a 10-minute energizing stretch that you should do in the mornings, and you'll feel fabulous throughout the day. So we're going to get started in a wide-legged child's pose. So come onto your hands and knees. Take your knees about mat width apart. Have your big toes touching together, and then you can sit back on your heels. If that doesn't work, then you can always put a cushion underneath your butt, but for me that's all good. And then just relax yourself down onto the mat. You want to have your forehead onto the mat. If your forehead's not going to reach the mat, then bring the floor up towards you and use a cushion underneath your head. You can have your arms stretched out long. And just take a few deep belly breaths. Allow your belly to balloon on the inhale and relax on the exhale. And you can push yourself up. Put aside any block or cushion that you've been using, and then we'll come on to all fours. Make sure that you've got your shoulders directly above your wrists and your hips directly above your knees. So lovely straight angles here. We'll work through a few cat-cows. So drop your belly, allow the tailbone to go up, allow your shoulder blades to open and look up. And then exhale and round your spine. Push through your shoulder, push to put your shoulder blades up. And then inhale, look up, shine collarbones forward, tail lifts up, and exhale. And one more. And exhale. We will work through a few extensions for the body. So we're going to extend the left leg out, and we'll extend the right arm out in front of us. This is a little bit of balancing and good for your glutes and for the abdominals. You can flex your back foot and then bring your knee to your elbow. Trying to link your breath and your movement. Inhale as you extend and exhale as you round. And then let's take ourselves back to all fours. Just move through your hips. Do some circular motions, getting the synovial fluid moving around. And then we'll take it to the other side. Nice circular motions. You might want to bring your head and neck into this whole organic movement. And then we're going to take our extension to the other side. So extend the right leg out, flex your foot, and then extend your left arm out. And then inhale, and then as you exhale, knee to elbow. And last one. Back onto all fours. We're going to go into a beautiful heart opener now. So roll over onto your right knee. Take your left, kick your foot out behind you, and then open up. This is a side plank, modified. And then open yourself up, getting a beautiful stretch through the full front part of the body. You might want to take your hand a little bit back, drop your head open, not too far. And then let's come back to all fours. And then we'll take it to the other side. So onto your left knee, extend your right arm up and out. And you might want to open up, drop your head back. And then let's come back onto all fours. We'll go back onto the first side, open up slowly. And back to all fours. And then we'll take it to the other side again. And let's release that down. Come back onto your heels. Sit to one side and then extend your legs out in front of you. If you've got a strap, you might want to use a strap around the ball of your feet, and you can pull yourself towards your torso towards your feet if you like. If you've got a strap, like I said. If not, just sit tall, pull your sit bones out from underneath your bones, extend your arms up overhead, and then just grab onto whatever you can. So it can be your knees, your calves, your ankles, or your feet. And just allow your body to fall forward, bringing your torso closer to your legs as much as possible. Getting a beautiful stretch through the full back body. And crawl yourself up. We'll come into butterfly pose now. Take the soles of your feet and move back a little bit, soles of your feet together, sit up tall, and then allow yourself to fall forward. You can push yourself up, darling. Extend your leg, your left leg out. Extend the right leg out. So now we're in a wide-seated forward fold, and allow yourself to fall forward. You'll notice your forward folds and your whole body will feel different in the morning than it does in the afternoon or evening. Allow yourself to fall forward. You can use supports under your head. Slide your shoulder blades down your back while you're doing this. And you can push yourself up. We'll go onto our backs. Now bring both feet together. Lay down onto your back all the way down. And extend your arms out at a T. Have the soles of your feet flat to the mat, not too far from your glutes. And then drop your knees over to the right hand side. So we're getting a beautiful stretch through the left side of our body. You might want to take your head and look over your left extended arm. You might want to go a little bit deeper by taking your top leg and crossing it over your bottom one. So we're going to twisted roots. Let's bring our knees back up to center. Keep your arms still out at a T, and then drop your legs over to the left hand side, and you can look over your extended right shoulder. Extended right arm, sorry. If you want to go a bit deeper, cross the top leg over the bottom. And let's release that. Roll over onto your right hand side and push yourself up back into a seated position. You can take your hands up over your head through to your heart. Interlace your fingers and bring your hands onto your chest. Have your thumbs facing up. Breathe in. You might want to set an intention for yourself today. Choose one word that is going to see how you're going to walk through this day. Extend your arms back up over your head into a prayer position, through your forehead into your heart. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.